Magandang hapon po ng March 15, 2025 Saturday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng March 15, 2025 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, March 15, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM draw results of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 60 Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Saturday, March 15, 2025. Here are the Tunes jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 and Grand Lotto 655 for March 15, 2025, Saturday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for March 15, 2025, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.